Hi guys, and today I'm going to show you guys how to set up your drone. First, what you need to do, you need to get your battery all charged up. So I have no idea what battery this is, but I know it goes for that one. Make sure your controller has like batteries and stuff in there, and make sure your battery is charged up. So first step, what you need to do, you need to open up these propeller thingies. It's very hard to do that on one-handed. Just open those up. Like so. Jeffrey here is ready to go. So then get your battery and get to its backside. Put that thing inside there, so it goes in there. Slot that in, and then you make sure your controller has batteries. Turn that on. Make sure those has batteries. And then what you do, you turn that on. Hear that? And then put that down there. And then what you're going to do with this, because it's not ready, you put these controllers up at the same time, like that. And then, if you really want, you can press that up button, if you really want, because that makes it go up. Does it? Oops. Don't seem to be doing anything. Don't know what's happening, but nothing's really happening. Hold on. I think it did that thing again. Sometimes it won't go on because you have to turn it off and turn it back on. For some odd reason, it doesn't seem to be doing it. There we go. And then it starts to fly. Shoot. It's very hard to do it on one-handed, but if you really want, I could do this thing. It's a very good detail. This button makes it do it on its own. Jeffrey's in the air. Woo! Guys, I'm going to make him do a 360. Oh shoot, he's going the other way now. Oh shoot! Oh no. Oh, that's where my rabbit's buried. Okay, see you guys next time. Jeffrey is... I don't think he's okay. See you guys next time. And remember to subscribe to the Slime Boy YouTube channel. Bye!